What's up, YouTube? This is Working on My Meds. Yippee. News, FluffyJet, Evening Edition. On this weekend, today is Sunday, July 19, 2026. Today, here's the news. I'll say it again ever. It's called the American Red Cross. Called 100 Red Cross. It's called here. Right. Into the news. Weather hunters. Rosie's Rose. Dinosaur Train. Carl the Collector. Where else with you at September at Salmon? It's for that's the wrap on its way for Molly of Denali. It's this news FluffyJet this weekend with Ray Jajawa. What's it, guys? Happy Sunday, everyone. So this is here at the today is on Sunday, July 19, 2026. Now for two widows here at the Weather Hunters. Constantly at their home. Okay, it's here. And now, Molly of Denali is here. Subscribe for more. Drop a comment below. We'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys of News FluffyJet. See you guys Monday. Just working on my meds. Signing off for now. We see you later soon.